Not even a smalanyana 400 rand. Unamali justice, ne?
Anginamali.
Uthe una 2 months angaholi lo muntu.
Yeah, nginomuntu mos kanti bawazini wena.
Yo.
Awangifaka enkingeni Phumi.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the heat, honey. I fix, I destroy, and neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur, ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You're too close, Lamini.
I'll turn to mommy too close.
I don't.
But you always call me to come close.
No, I don't.
You always do.
Yeah, but I get you and lying.
You said,
When there's danger.
yeah,
When there is danger.
even now there's danger. There's always danger.
Hi guys, hello. How are you? I'm good. Listen, my name is Lisa from CMTV, right? We basically just have a show where we stop couples and we just ask them a couple of questions.
Thank you, Lisa. You're not interested.
You're not interested, girl?
No.
What about your man? Get the head of the home.
He's not.
It's Shahid, no. Sorry.
To where?
iPhone right.
Kaloku ndiyathanda indaba ntombi mna khanitsho niyaphi? I'm not joining. It's my birthday today. So I'm looking for fun things to do.
Serious? That's Jahi.
I know I'm a stranger, girl. At least gift me.
So gifting on.
By you answering my questions.
Every birthday, son of some years.
But we don't want to answer your questions, however. Can't answer, man, guys. And I don't have money, so I'm not doing anything fun today. At least answer my questions.
Okay.
Thank you.
So yeah, because it's birthday.
Yes, thank you. Just come this side for me.
Lisa was coming to me.
Ngiyaxolisa bakithi. I apologize. Just lighting ibalekile. Miss on my left, please.
Okay.
Sir on my right. Okay, name? Lerato and?
Justice.
Justice, how long have you been with the beautiful Lerato?
6 months.
6 months?
Yes.
Still going strong?
Yes.
Okay, Lerato. What's funny? You're so in love.
I'm just like shocked. Like,
I'm
your
sorry.
questions.
I'm sorry. It's going to be very light questions, nothing serious.
Okay.
Where did he meet you?
Oh, MTN Butcher.
Really?
Yeah.
What did he say to you? I hope he paid for the meat, okay?
No, he didn't actually. You know, we just bumped into each other like Kwabo. Yeah, this funeral and day one, so big. And then
And then?
the rest is history.
What's the rest? Is you guys didn't go home together?
Same day.
Lerato,
No.
things happen. You've never given it up on the first day? Really? Ever in your life?
Ever.
Okay. What about you? Have you ever given it up on the first day?
No.
You're lying.
I'm serious.
Obviously, he's a guy. He won't.
Exactly.
I am cousin here.
Ever.
Yeah.
Because Jay, you would be sleeping with a stranger.
No, I'm not a stranger now.
Okay. No, I hear you. What is it that you like about Lerato?
We're more now.
Very. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you don't like girls that wear revealing clothes?
No.
I'm a crop top and bum shorts.
I am not saying. I'm to film by
Okay, nice. Respectful and stuff.
Yes.
Okay. What is it that you like about your man, girl?
Down to earth, you want to understand you, to understand
To understand and don't let it.
anything.
Because ngamadoda that's okay.
Yeah, and don't pass and for the fact that you're Zulu.
You like Zulu gents? We don't think Zulu men are strict.
No, he's not. Hey, I thought he was. But no, he's not.
Okay, what tribe wouldn't you date?
Kosa.
Xhosa yawns. Listen, I understand. No, I understand.
Yeah.
I was also there once. I was also like, I'm Xhosa, but I don't date Xhosa men.
Yeah.
But now I do. Because they're not all bad.
Serious.
But don't worry, I had a moment, an era where I didn't date Xhosa men at all.
Yeah.
Because besides that, they're also just stingy.
Yeah.
And if you need the stingy, you gold digger.
Uyabonakala, Chum.
Ndiyabonakala uba ndiyi-gold digger. Wow.
Man.
I look like a gold digger.
Yeah, you do.
Okay, I guess I'll take it as a compliment.
Yeah, you should.
Because it's who I am and there's nothing I can do about it,
and
you
you're
know?
gonna change your standards, so
Yes, yeah. Anyway, back to you guys. This is not about me.
But
Okay?
It's your birthday, it's about you.
Nobody, the show is about you.
Oh, now you're saying the show. You said it's your birthday and you need.
But Kalogo told me it's a show because you understand I'm shooting and stuff. You understand? Okay, but do you trust your man after everything we've discussed?
Oh, yeah.
On a scale of 1 to
100.
10.
10 over 10.
Damn, okay. And do you
Minus
trust?
nothing.
Minus nothing. Ne?
Oh, God.
Okay. And do you trust your woman
Yes.
on a scale of 1 to 10?
9 over 10.
9 over 10.
1% yeah, babe.
1 for disappointment, Lerato. All right.
Disappointment kumele ulindele mama.
Yes.
Lapho mina ngizinikele konke.
Yeah. You must never trust a pretty girl. Thank you very much. What we do on this show, Lerato. What we do on this show, I lied earlier. We basically make couples switch phones, okay? We're testing your loyalty. The way you guys just switched up, yeah, you were laughing just now. You switch phones
Okay.
and you go through each other's WhatsApps.
I don't know.
Okay. What's the issue?
Why? No.
To test your loyalty, kaloku, we're checking if you're not cheating on your woman.
Siyathembana musangichazile musuku siyathembana.
Yeah.
Ibuyela kuleya nto -1.
Minus 1. The projector, he was actually projecting. He
Yeah.
doesn't trust himself.
Qale nini manje ukuthi
Thathi phone. Thathi phone.
Let's start with hers, okay? And then we'll
Thathi phone.
end with yours. Just 60 seconds.
Just thathi phone.
Are you hiding something?
No, angihayidanga nothing. Uyazi nawe mama, uyangithemba.
Sharp, thathi phone. There's nothing. Like, sis, now.
Khona into off.
Yeah, ngiyayibona now that you mentioned. Like, bengingacabangi na. Yabona?
But he'd be hiding something,
Yeah.
ne?
Sami.
Kangidoda yakho Lerato. If we start with hers, okay, and then we end with yours at least. Let's check hers first. Is it fine? Okay, obviously it's not fine, but I guess she wants to.
No, it's fine.
It's fine, ne?
Ukuthi ayikho fine. Like, honestly, kanjani mangikho like ngiyayibona le 9 over 10.
Mara mama kodwa siyathembana.
Ngicela uvule ifone justice. Hayi ungangibhori. Yo
Qale nini
ungangibhori.
kwenza le nto le mama.
Justice, face the camera for me. Okay, go to WhatsApp. Oh, did you open your phone, Mascot?
Akazula.
Uyayazi pin yena.
Does he know it?
Ayitshintshanga.
Okay. Okay. Go to her WhatsApp. Okay.
Yes.
Search, type, love you.
Vela
Yes.
yena.
Yeah. Uvela mina.
Okay, nice. Delete. Type, miss you.
Obvious.
Uvela mina.
Hey, it's 10 billion dope.
No,
I like
like,
it. Nice.
know, yeah.
You know. Okay, delete that. Type, babe.
Uvela mina.
Okay, delete that. Type, thank you. Let's see who's doing your women favors.
Uvela mina.
Okay, delete that. Type outside. Let's see who's fetching her. Okay,
Uvela next.
nice. Okay, delete that. Type last night.
Ay khona.
Are you nervous that we're gonna check these things on your phone?
Yes.
Okay, I don't see anything dodgy. Okay, delete that. Type pregnant.
Hayi ngeke bakwethu. Akuveli next.
Okay, nice. Delete that. Type morning after pill.
Hey, bro.
We need to check, guys. Senze
Sesijahile
Oh, yeah, type a morning after P.
If type, a woman has spoken.
Yeah,
Morning.
So I'm sure the same words.
Yes, on his phone.
Yeah.
Akuveli next.
Okay, delete that. Type waza.
Akakwazi ukubhala isiZulu umuntu wami.
Itakeko. Oh, you don't type. Oh, okay, it's fine. But what if there's a Zulu man talking to her? Type waza. There might be a Zulu man telling her to come.
Akuveli next.
Okay, delete that. Type ageko.
Ngiyabonga dad. Wenzeka
Ngakubani ongekho manje?
Akekho, maybe you awukho bakuze nendoda awukho.
Mara kushilo ngathi ngiyamthemba kodwa umuntu wami.
Type, justice type. We're looking for justice.
Hayi akuveli.
Nothing. Okay, give your woman her phone. It's your turn. Congratulations, Lerato. Simengawe. Umbuzo umile, can we see your phone please?
ngiyacela ke manje.
Mama ngishilo ngathi ngikhonakala ngifoni
Ngicela
yami.
phone ungangijayeli kabi.
Hey,
Manje
manje sebenze njani?
ungangijayeli kabi.
Sebenze njani?
are you hiding something on your phone?
No, I'm not.
Then what's the problem?
No, uyazi naye akayithinti ifoni yami.
Angithi phone yakho but
Why namhlanje sekumele athinti ifoni yami?
It's just for today. Today is the first and the last.
Usisi lana ukhuluma ezinye izinto bengingayicabangi futhi. Bengingacabangi vele
Mara
ukuyithatha.
sewukholwa bona sithando sama.
Bengingacabangi ukuyithatha ifone yakhe ne. Ngimthembe so
Yeah.
abo 9 over 10.
Yes.
And then the next thing ifone yakhe akasafuni ngayo why?
Something is off.
Yeah, something is off.
Why are you hiding something on your phone?
No, I'm
Yini?
not hiding.
So give her. So why don't you want her to see? So why don't you want her to see?
The last
Kaloku, after this, it's not like it's going to be a regular thing. She's going to keep checking your phone. This is the first and the last time.
No, ngizohlezi ngiyichecka ngoba
But the rather you have not been checking it before, Amos.
no because now ngiyabona ukuthi there's something.
Ukwenza yonke
Hayi
lento
baby
le.
no
Hey, Justice got put this telephone.
telephone ngangikho.
And this yeah, chabe tunani complexion Z. Yini bawo?
Ngicela ungiboleke ifone.
Ngoba ufumana complexion yami back winter.
Bese uyabona ukuthi kuyashisa.
Khona umunye omthengelayo inyama.
Akekho man.
Justice ifone bethuna yuphi nisukucenga? Vula ifone, passcode, password pattern.
Yes.
Why haven't you checked it if you knew it?
Because bengingayicabangi.
Okay, go to his WhatsApp, ne? Okay. Type love you. So tatazela. We can see.
Okay.
What are you seeing there?
Mina kuphela okay.
Okay, nice. Delete that.
Amara ngitshelile kodwa.
Type miss you. It's still early in the test, sir.
Yo.
Miss you baby Mpumi.
Ew, Banumpumi. Go into the conversation. Who's Mpumi?
Mpumi yamazi ngosi.
Banumpumi Lerato.
Neighbor yakhe.
Why do you miss her? Okay, cool. She's a neighbor.
Phela sonke phela singomakhelwane. Mangomakhelwane.
I don't miss my neighbor. Yeah. I don't even know my neighbor's name. Go into the conversation. Ooh, Justice is born izinto.
Hayibo usendela Mpumi imali for ini? Oh, yekela ifone usendela Mpumi.
Bekayibolekile.
Wait.
Bekayibolekile.
Uyibuyisile na?
Ungibonise ukuthi imali yokubolekwa le.
It's not. It's not. It's the e-wallet limit actually. Limit yonke. Not even a smallanyana 400 rand.
Kabi ne?
Unamali Justice ne?
Anginamali.
Uthe una 2 months angaholi lo muntu.
He's lying.
Una 2 months angaholi. Uyabona ukuthi yani le e-wallet.
Exactly.
Justice
Very
utshela kabi
recent.
ne?
No, anginamali.
Njengamanje njengoba usibona sisahamba manje sithi sithenga igroza mina naye ngiyomthengela at least ngoba
Kodwa usendele umpumi imali.
ungijwayela kabi wena ne
Give me the phone plans.
Bekayibolekile sithando, bekayibolekile.
ku right mara hayi because ungijwayela kabi
Do
ne
you wanna let's call Mpumi my skirt?
ungijwayela kabi ne
Dlamini, where's the other phone?
Asikisi bekayibolekile manje.
ungijwayela kabi ngicela umfonele Mpumi
Mpumi is she gonna say the same thing?
Justice ungijwayela kabi yo
give me ina Dlamini. Let me get the number of my skirt.
ufunani ngefoni ufunani efonini wena sifeve
Angithi phela umakhelwane wami sihlala sonke mos.
Ha.
lo baba lo yazi bengimtrust kanjani olufoni sisi
Ngicela iphone yami.
Hold Dlamini.
Dile manje.
Huh? So, still calling Mpumi kaloko. Hi, can I please speak to Mpumi?
Mpumi hello
Hello.
njani kanti wawenza kanje ngibona manje into enza Justice manje yini inkinga yakho kanti uboleka imali ku Justice kanjani
Ngiboleka imali kuJustice.
le e-wallet le kufakele yona bekwe yani
Umuntu omuso Justice. What do you mean?
hayibo
Ukela nini manje Mpumi?
Mpumi umuntu wakho Justice
Mpumi awuqalile manje. Mara wabona ukuthi uyangikhatha kodwa.
uthandana no Justice Mpumi from nini uthandana no Justice
It's been 3 months now.
Uyakuphika
le
uJustice.
mali le bekaloku akusendele yona yani
Hey, I'm your maintainer. Like,
So kangakuboleke.
Uthenge kuboleka mos.
Ngini kujustice yazi ungijwayela kabi nginika nangu uyakuzwa khuluma
Manje Mpumi uyabona ukuthi ungikhatha nomuntu wami mos manje.
Mpumi uJustice said bana ukubolekile le mali bengakuniki. Mpumi uthani ngokathula. Hello.
Justice
Yeah.
Hello Mpumi.
hello.
Why you quiet? Justice says ukubolekile imali.
Manje.
Angiboleka imali ngiyasho nje ukuthi mina noJustice siyajola mase lethi ungiboleka imali.
Mpumi.
Nangu.
Mpumi.
uthi iba kancane
Mari wayenza so mos. Uyabona ukuthi uyangikhatha nomuntu wami.
Justice wena utshalo
Ya, nomuntu mos kanti bawazini wena.
yo
Awangifaka enkingeni Mpumi.
It's fine. Okay, so Mpumi is your person. What's missing, Justice? What doesn't Ulerato have?
No.
First of all uthi ngingagcoka ama shorts
Oh.
into umpumi ugcoka revealing clothes
Yes.
umpumi mahosha hey
Answer. You cheated because?
No, angimshitheli mos.
Oh, Justice, we're gonna carry on lying after we found proof.
No, angimshitheli.
When's that done?
Ngishitheli kuye kwaba iphutha nje.
Oh, it was a mistake. You cheated by mistake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mara ngiyamthembisa umama ngeke iphinde iqhubeke mama.
You, Lerato, do you want to carry on with the Justice? Let me give him his phone.
fine I'm okay ngizomfuna
How's her phone?
Kahle mama ungayenzi lonke le.
Ooh, Lerato, my skirt.
Singayilungisa mama lento. Yo. Oh.
You, Justice, I get Justice.
Enkingeni.
But we did not send you to cheat, Justice. And it? Who sent you to cheat? Why did you cheat? Why are you greedy? Because Ulerato says, you said Ulerato has everything. So why did you cheat?
Ngibe mistake mama.
You, mistake. So you fell on her vagina by accident.
Driver sungifake kuyo mos ngixabanisa no.
You are bye Justice. Sorry. Masande Dlamini. I want to shade my skirt. And yes, but Justice was all right. Sorry, Pinda. Should we go? Let's go this side. I'm burning. Ooh, me, I don't like burning. Oh, my skirt. Kutyiwe Dlamini.
Ngime endaweni yami.
Indawo yakho eyiphi indawo yakho?
Hello.
Hi, Dlams, how are you?
Good, how are you?
How you doing?
I'm doing fine. I'm doing great. I'm doing gorgeous. I'm doing marvelous.
Okay, good for you.
I'm good. I'm doing fantastic.
Okay. One of the crew guys said I have too much makeup on.
Not one of the crew. Surely igama lomuntu.
And he always says this. And I said to him today, men should mind their own business.
Please mention the name.
Because a girl would see me and know that I don't have too much makeup on. Stay out of women's business. When a woman has beautiful, clear skin, I've got very beautiful, clear skin. So when a woman who's got beautiful, clear skin puts on makeup, it sits nicely on her face, then it looks like it's a lot. Because she's got nice skin already. Stop commenting on women's business.
Who are you telling?
There's a reason men should never comment on makeup. What? You've got too much makeup. No. Thank you very much.
No, not thank
So
you
next
very
time
much.
you want to comment, oh, you've got too much makeup on. So look at that girl when she doesn't have makeup on and see her skin. And
Why
you guys
don't you
have
mention
seen
the name
me.
of the person who said that?
And you guys have seen me without makeup and you know I've got the most gorgeous skin.
Now it will
So if I say figure in makeup,
we are the ones who said it.
On the
Please mention
skin.
the name of
It's
the person.
Eric.
Yeah.
But it's what most guys do as well. Oh, you've got too much makeup on. I've got nice skin. So
I see.
my figgy
I've never
makeup.
said that. I've never, and I would never.
No, he's never said. No, Dlamini has never said
Pinda
that.
has never said it.
Yes. So just stay out of women's business because you don't know anything.
Ngoba ngihlangana ne makeup.
Uhlala kahle ngenaphi?
Okay, yini engizoyikhomenta nge-makeup yini engiyaziyo. What do I know? So I don't have anything to comment nge-makeup nje. Whether uyifake lapha ngemuva
Being
uyifake
the
kuphi.
masculine man that you are.
Imagine.
You understand?
Imagine. So
But
ngiphakamisa
anyway-
ifuba sengithi hey makeup ya. Nah.
So we done
Yini
Dlamini.
yathanda ngisondela nje.
Dlamini, let's go.
Asami.
Masambe mntakwethu sematyotyombe ethu.
Etyotyombe wethu. Siyotyotyomba.
Masambe mntasaka nale wig funeka ndiyibuyise kumntu wayo because ndiyibolekile. Ndiyibolekile. So funeka ndiyibuyise emntwini wayo masigoduke mntasaka sematyotyombe ethu.
Umuntu angazafona athi i-wig
yam. And futhi funeka ndiyeke le fake lifestyle zam ziyomane nxibe iwig. Funeka ndenze nge-African because andinayo imali ye-wig.
Yiza nje nge-natural yakho.
Yes.
Ungezungena enkingeni. Asambe siwig yabantu.
Masambe sematyotyombe ethu.
Amatyotyombe.
Right, CMTV viewers, it's an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _
Instagram, welcome_Dlamini. Facebook, it's welcome Dlamini. Tsikiri Talk, welcome Dlamini. Danko siyabonga.
Bye.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.